Sachin is not Sachin because he born into the Tendulkar family. The reason why he's Sachin is because of the reputation is the mother of mastery.
Don't see clarity at the start. Right, you get it along the way. आपको starting में
Yes.
पता ही नहीं होगा. See, I had no clue that I'll be sitting with you
No.
or anybody who I have met so far, or I would be doing a business, or I would be doing anything.
Yes.
See, it's a phase.
Yes.
You evolve.
Yes.
But the point is, people never start thinking कि मुझे पहले ही पता होगा कि मुझे कैसे जाना है exactly. आपको लाइफ में या तो लेफ्ट लेना है या तो राइट लेना है, एक ही डिसीजन है, या तो यस है या तो नो है.
Exactly.
It's not complicated. So I want to ask you this, and I want you to think about this कि you were in pain. 2015, you had so much mortgage है, ये है, चीजें हैं. A lot of negativity in terms of your own mind कि हाँ ठीक है, ये कैसे करूँगा. I don't even know if I will walk again. Right? So how would somebody in that pain get a sliver of hope to start, to have that intentional choice? Because I feel the step 2 is intentional living, where you figured it out, but some people can't. Even I go by the same word. In fact, I am amazed that you use the same word. Intentional living. It's a huge thing.
Yes.
People don't. So I want you to think and tell me कि ये कैसे करे कोई?
See, coming back to the thing जो आपने बात की ना कि you don't know from the day one.
Correct.
Even the kids, those who are born, they don't know how to walk from day one.
True.
ठीक है ना? Sachin is not Sachin because he born into the Tendulkar family. The reason why he's Sachin is because of the reputation is the mother of mastery.
Correct.
You see? So if you need a clarity, you need to repeatedly work on yourself. To get to that day or the time where you will know that, okay, this is what I want from my life. And that's exactly what I was doing. जो मैंने आपको बताया mindset, mindfulness.
correct.
I was figuring out क्योंकि साला कभी बैठे ही नहीं थे 10 मिनट के लिए अपने आप के लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए.
Exactly.
What was self love? What was self care? ये कोई
टॉपिक ही नहीं था
दिमाग में.
Correct.
But when understood, when started learning about it, what is the importance, why Buddha was Buddha, why Dalai Lama is Dalai Lama, there is a reason behind that.
True.
True. Because they have the life of intentional living.
True.
है ना? पर वो intentional living तक पहुंचने के लिए need a clarity. And the clarity will come from process.
Correct.
Structure. Start, middle and end.
Nice.
The reason why people, मैंने start में क्या बोला? The reason why people have a messy life is because they don't have structure. They don't have clarity. Now we have a structure. The way we have planned
Correct.
our trip to Mumbai, it's a structured event.
Correct.
Because if you don't, the people, those who have achieved success in their life, they have a structure.
Correct.
In their life. They have a morning routine. They have a time for self-care. They have a time for family. But the problem क्या है आज के दिन की कि लोग ज़्यादा टाइम enjoyment and entertainment पे waste करते हैं rather than personal development. Exactly.
No introspection.
Exactly. मेरा सीधा formula है which is LIME. LIME. You spend 30% learning, 30% implementing, 30% masterminding, and 10% enjoying.
Correct. Correct.
If you have that structure and balance, you will reach somewhere in your life.
Nice.
But right now, you're 80% or 70% going into watching videos on TikTok or YouTube or somewhere else,
Giving your attention away to people
Exactly.
who are just doing business on your attention.
Absolutely
Right? People don't understand that. That's social media, right?
Yes.
I would love to give a hack here. Like मेरे को बड़ा प्यारा लगा जिस तरह से आपने इस चीज को summarize किया ना. I would love to give a hack कि जैसे मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, conversation कर रहा हूँ. I'm absolutely enjoying this.
Yes.
This is sort of my. I never thought कि podcast can be such a beautiful sync of my talent and what I love. मैं दिन भर podcast कर सकता हूँ या the way I speak, like now I'm a public speaker, right?
Yes.
Like now I'm a mentor. So it all involves speaking and simplifying stuff for other people.
Yes.
And I can do this all day. So it for me, that work that you're telling, मेरे लिए तो ये 100% enjoyment है.
Yes.
मेरा 100% work, 100% enjoyment है.
But that's what अभी कल परसों की बात है. I was talking to someone and we were discussing about public speaking.
Yeah.
Let me tell you the biggest trait and biggest industry will be public speaking and communication,
It is.
because people are isolating themselves.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
And in 5 years, you and me will sit here right where we are, and we will be in the biggest industry, which will be mental health in India.
Yeah, it is. It is. And people are starting to see that now.
Yes.
People are starting to see that now. Thank you so much इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है, देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Until then, keep dreaming. I'll see you in the next one.